Now, of course, you love traveling and seeing new cultures, but that shouldn't be the reason you're applying, or at least not the reason you want to be telling the interviewer. Answers like, "It's my dream job," or "I love traveling," indirectly tell the interviewer that you are just using the airline for your own personal goals. Instead, start by knowing what the job description of the cabin crew really is, and answer this question by listing your skills, work experience, and aspirations that align with the job profile. Your answer should mention what you have that they need, and not what they have that you need.